Don't worry, we will rebuild again. It's Matty's fault every time he wants to take a shower. Whoa, oh. Good morning. We got some rain last night and it just brings out all the wonderful nature smells. This is our day, waiting for the rafters, enjoying the river. Oh, here comes the rafters. Oh, and he's wearing a GoPro on his helmet, so we're recording them recording us. Wave, say hi. It started to get cloudy, so we thought, okay, let's go back to the rig and let this little rain cloud pass us by. He's not just a little rain cloud. Holy moly. It's a windstorm. And Matty was just securing everything, so he knew. He knew. Uh-oh. His stuff is open. We call his tent the Dancing Queen. Let's see how his tarp holds up. He was proactive. I didn't expect this. Uh-oh, I gotta secure it. I had to bring the rug in. I had to come check. Make sure everything's secure. Because one good wind from the right direction could take it all away. Oh, good. Oh my gosh. What's happening up there? The Dancing Queen. She's winning the contest. Oh, it's crazy. Thank goodness there's no rock climbers. This would be a good time to go rafting now. Oh! Oh my gosh. Alright, we're going back up. Everything's secure. Oh my gosh! It's a freaking tornado. No, it's a cyclone. No, it's a hurricane. I don't know what it is. It's not an earthquake. That's all I know. I know earthquakes because I'm from California. We have earthquakes. I don't know what this thing is. It's just not normal. Oh my goodness. That's what's happening. Don't worry. We will rebuild again. It's Matty's fault every time he wants to take a shower. Whoa. Oh. Look at her. She's like Jesus sleeping in the boat. Roxy, don't you even know what's happening out here? She's like, ye of little faith. Oh my goodness, Roxy. You just don't know. Look at that ugly thing. And it's right above us. I'm afraid to open up the window. But you guys have to experience this with us. Oof. Oof. Oh. At least we're not out there in a tent. Oh, now. I know, I better batten down the hatches. There we go. Whew, I hope Matty's okay. this tarp is picking up those rocks and moving. Oh my gosh. Those gusts just come. I hope his chair's still out there. I kind of secured it next to the tree, but I don't see it now. Whew. When they come, they just like hit hard. Look at that. Whoa. No, not my gold and my silver. You guys want to hear the sound of Matty's happiness? Listen. Yep. He's tinkering. I gotta go back and watch Roxy. But I came to get her some water and for me to grab some water down by the river and then stake the chairs down. We're back out here this evening after all the different storms. It's like, okay, let's go, one more chance. I think it's like 7 o'clock right now. And it's still beautiful. I don't know what she's doing, but she doesn't want to sleep at night in her bed anymore. She wants to be over there in the flat area. So I put a blanket down and I put the pillow to keep her from falling down in the step. But yeah, she wants to sleep over there now. It's a new thing. She's got 1, 2, 3, 4 different places she could sleep that have a bed. She's like, nope, I want to be over here. This is new. It's like having a new house or a new room. Whatever Roxy wants, Roxy gets. Good night.